So you like to get started connecting your actual Cloudy inside your, in this case, I'm going to be working with Asana. To connect directly with Asana, the actual project is going to be really easily. So what I wanted to do is to open, first of all, my actual Cloudy.ai. Inside in here, what I'm going to be doing here is to send this specific prompt, which is I wanted to connect and work with my Asana project. Let's get started. Usually it will be making the actual search connector. It will be telling you, would you like to make the actual connection? You will be telling to go for yes and click directly into the element that says connect. Just like that, it will be making the actual full connection between Asana and your actual Cloudy. Now, it's going to be really important, guys, to understand that you will be needed to have your Asana signed in already and to open the actual project that you will be working on before you actually make the element that says used. Once you click into the element that says connect, it will be showing you the element that says connected. If you're using the actual application of the Cloudy inside your actual computer, I can strongly suggest you to close that. Here you can go directly to the task section and select the element that says close, so we can just close the actual Cloudy, go back again inside here, try to reopen this, and you will be seeing that the element that says you're now connected to Asana, here are the projects into my workspace, which in this case there actually are. So as you can see, it truly understands all the actual work that I selected. So in this case, I clicked into the element that says in my project reason, which in this case is the reason, I asked for creating 3 more tasks with those due dates from June and the 17th. This was just a task generated like as an example, just to see if the connection has not been correctly added. So when I click directly inside here, you can see that my actual connections has not been correctly added since my actual task has not been generated right away. That means that I can still ask more questions about my actual Asana project. I can be generating more stuff, deleting stuff, or even scheduling stuff. So as you can see, the actual connection from Asana inside Cloudy is not that hot. If you have, guys, any question, you can let me know in the comments below. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel once again if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys well next time.